For those of us who've lived in the coastal bend and weathered hurricanes in the past, we know the must-dos to prepare. However, many may not.
Yeah, for instance, did you know that by the time a named storm enters the Gulf of Mexico, you may run into a wall when it comes to securing the right insurance plan for your home? Our Madeline Salinas is here tonight to tell us what homeowners should consider doing before it's too late. Madeline?
Thank you, Mike. Today I spoke with insurance agents who tell me that waiting till the last minute to ask if you have the right insurance coverage on your home during hurricane season could really leave you in a tough spot.
When a storm is approaching, or if there's a hurricane in the area, or even if there's like a wildfire in the area, there may be companies that, companies usually do put a hold or a restriction on writing new policies.
Rich Johnson with the Insurance Council of Texas says that some insurance companies may not even be able to make changes to a homeowner's current policy by the time a storm has entered the Gulf.
And that's just to protect themselves because it's, oh, I see a storm off the coast, I better get insurance real quick. You just don't want people signing up for insurance, waiting for the disaster and then canceling it, and then signing up again and then canceling it.
Johnson says that when it comes to hurricanes and major rain events, many people may also not realize that flood insurance is not typically covered by normal homeowners insurance policies.
There's a lot of people that say, oh, I don't live in a flood zone, but they live in Corpus Christi. All of Corpus Christi is actually a flood zone. It's just whether a mortgage would require you to buy a flood policy or not.
Most homeowners get flood insurance through FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program. Stephanie Waterman with Farmers Insurance says it's always important to plan ahead because from the date of purchase, that flood insurance plan won't go into effect for at least 30 days.
I recommend that people buy flood insurance around May 1st if they're not purchasing the home. That will give them 30 days effective until the actual hurricane season starts on June 1st. So that's a great time to get your flood insurance going, and don't wait if you haven't done it.
Because the coastal bend is a risk area for hurricanes and high-speed winds, it's also recommended that residents look into getting windstorm insurance. If you happen to be turned down by an insurance provider, you can always go through the Texas Windstorm Insurance Association. Rudy, Mike.